What is modifier? The modifiers indicate that a service or procedure performed has been altered by some specific circumstance, without changing the meaning of the code. Modifier is 2 characters, letters or numbers, appended to a CPT or HCPCS Level 2 code, appending of an appropriate modifier will effectively respond to reimbursement. Level 1 modifiers, it is known as CPT Modifiers, consists of 2-digit numeric annually updated by AMA, American Medical Association, example, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 50 etc. Level 2 modifiers, it is known as HCPCS. Modifiers consists of 2-digit, alphanumeric, annually updated by CMS, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, example, A1, A, AD, HN, J1, J2, YA etc. Modifier 23. The modifier 23 can be used for unusual anesthesia. Occasionally, a procedure, which usually requires either no anesthesia or local anesthesia, because of unusual circumstances, must be done under general anesthesia. This modifier is used when anesthesia is performed by anesthesiologist during the time anesthesia is usually not required. An example of that would be a patient that is seen now having a procedure done that usually does not require anesthesia, but in this case it does because this patient may not be able to stay still or keep calm during that procedure. So, anesthesiologist would need to get this patient anesthesia during this procedure. This is an unusual situation that anesthesia would be used, and that's why you would need to use that modifier. 23. Please post all your medical billing questions in the comment box. Thank you.